guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your Facebook account private. First of all, open your Facebook app. Click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Open the settings on Facebook and tap on Privacy Checkup. Tap on the box in the upper left corner that says Who can see what you share? Tap Continue. Tap on the drop-down options to the right and choose the privacy setting that best fits your needs. Then tap Next at the bottom. Now tap the drop-down options to the right to select who can see the content you post. Lastly, you can block other users. Tap Next at the bottom. Then click on Review Another Topic. Going through the privacy checkup settings makes it easy to limit what others can see. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.